Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to adjust Mazda 3 steering wheel, easy method. Unlock the lever under the column, slide the wheel to set reach, then tilt for clear sight lines. Keep a 2 to 3 finger space from the airbag cover and confirm controls remain reachable. Test while parked, then make fine tweaks for comfort. If the wheel feels stuck, inspect for obstructions or worn components and consider light servicing. Start by parking safely and engaging the parking brake, then set ignition to accessory if helpful. Pull the tilt/telescopic lever down, slide the wheel to your preferred reach, and tilt to align sight lines with the gauges. Push the lever up firmly to lock the position, then test by pulling gently on the wheel. If anything feels loose, recheck the lever and adjust until the wheel is secure and ergonomic. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the Kindle Paperwhite, a handy companion for waiting during service appointments or downtime between quick adjustments. Its crisp screen and long battery life make it perfect for car manuals and how-to guides on the go. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Always prioritize safety when adjusting your steering wheel by keeping a 2 to 3 finger gap from the airbag cover. Avoid sitting too close or leaning the wheel forward in a way that limits airbag effectiveness or seatbelt function. If the adjustment feels stiff or unusually loose, stop and inspect for foreign objects or mechanical wear. When in doubt, have a trusted mechanic check linkage or locking mechanisms to keep driving safe and comfortable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.